Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Authenticator on your device. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Firstly, you need to download Google Authenticator. To do this, go to Play Store, click the search bar, and then type in Google Authenticator. Now, click it to install. After installing Google Authenticator, open the account that you would like to secure on a different device. For example, I am going to open ChatGPT. Now, in any accounts that you would like to secure, go to your profile and then click Settings. Then go to Security and click Enable Authentication. Here, enter your password to verify it. Now go to your other device and open the Authenticator app. Here, click the plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen and then select the Scan Your QR code option. Now, scan the QR code provided for you. Here, type in the code that Google Authenticator will give you. Make sure to copy and save this recovery code for future purposes. Click Continue to save. And just like that, you've enabled Google Authenticator on your device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips or tricks you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.